Now, today's agenda, I'm going to give you an introduction to Eurofins EAG Laboratories, talking about who we are, what we do, and how we can help you with your analyses. We're going to talk about materials identification. In this talk, we really want to have a conversation with you. And when we have a conversation, we're going to talk about materials, we're going to talk about identification, and we're going to talk about materials identification. And for each person, you're going to have a different idea of what that means. And because we only have an hour to spend with you here today, we're going to shrink down that conversation to 3 different groups. We're going to talk about thin films. We're going to talk about techniques for materials identification of organics. So maybe longer molecules as opposed to thin films, where we're typically looking at simple structures, elemental analysis, organics, longer range order, molecules, and then third, the XRD, we're looking at phase, so even longer range structures, right? So not going to cover all the different types of materials identification that we can offer through EAG Laboratories, but we're going to give you a snippet based upon these 3 categories. And then we're going to have conversations and questions with our experts. So you'll be able to have a question and answer period afterwards. And then if you want, we can have individual meetings and individual conversations to talk specifically about your needs and your types of analysis that you would like to cover.